Welcome to my channel Happy Crochet Club. Today we will make lid covers for small jar. They are for small and for bigger one. And for big one, three and 2 inches or 8.5 centimeters. Small one 6.5 inches or centimeters, sorry, and 2.5 inches, and 3 inches, eight centimeters. Three different sizes. I used double knit yarn or number 3 light worsted weight yarn and 3.5 millimeter crochet hook. And we can start. Start with chain 3, skip 2 chains in this first chain, 12 double crochet. Join with slip stitch, with first worked stitch, first double crochet and this stitch. Chain 3, start in the same stitch, double crochet, 2 double crochet in each stitch. Double crochet in this previous round slip stitch space 1. Join with slip stitch in this third stitch, this third chain 1, 2, 3, third chain, slip stitch, 24 stitches, chain 3, start in this first stitch, double crochet, 2 double crochet in the next stitch. Repeat 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. "36 stitches for small size. Make extra stitch the previous round slip stitch space, double crochet and join with third chain. For small size. For bigger size no need make this extra stitch. 36 stitches. Join with slip stitch with third chain. For small size skip next round. For bigger size chain 3. In this first stitch double crochet, next double crochet, in the next stitch 2 double crochet. Repeat double crochet, 2 double crochet. Only for bigger size. 48 stitches for bigger size. This round make extra stitch previous round slip stitch space, 1 double crochet. Join with third chain. For both sizes chain 3, start in this first stitch, double crochet in each stitch, both sizes. Chain 3, front post double crochet, back post double crochet. Repeat front post double crochet, back post double crochet. Last stitch front post double crochet. Join with third chain, chain 1 in this first stitch, single crochet, chain 1, skip 1, next stitch, single crochet, chain 1, skip 1, next stitch, single crochet. Repeat chain 1, skip 1, single crochet. Last stitch single crochet, join with slip stitch with first worked stitch, single crochet and this stitch. Now you can change color if you like. Chain 3, in this first space 2 double crochet, in this next chain 1 space 5 double crochet, in each chain 1 space 5 double crochet. And continue next space. Done. Last this space 2 double crochet, join with third chain, make a chain 120. For small size you can make 115. And there this chain, one space, weave in and out. Done. If you like this slip cover, you can leave comment, like and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching and see you soon.